Hello everybody, this is Miss Lewis. Here's a picture of my family. And now we're going to go ahead and get started. And I want to talk to you about the week 1 packet and today how to do day 1. Hola a todos, eso fue una foto de mi familia y ahora yo voy a explicar cómo hacer el paquete de la primera semana y el primer día. So your packets will say week 1 on the top. This is beginner level English. So these are going to focus on using your English. Okay. Dice aquí la primera semana y eso es para enfocar en usar el vocabulario inglés. So on the bottom here it says day 1 and there are 3 different parts of the activities to do. Aquí dice día número 1 y hay 3 partes de actividades para hacer. First, there's going to be a part that talks about letters and sounds in English. Primero hay una actividad de las letras y los sonidos en inglés. Later, you'll read a book and then do an activity where you talk or you write about the book. Después para leer un libro y hacer una actividad en que ustedes hablen o escriben sobre el libro. Then you're going to do that with book number 2. Y después van a hacer la misma cosa con libro número 2. And that's everything for day 1. And then we'll repeat with different activities, but that same format for the rest of the week. Y después van a repetir los días siguientes de la semana con libros y actividades diferentes, pero en el mismo modelo. So that's how you get started. And we're going to go ahead and scroll down here. And so in your packet, you'll be on, it says to do pages 1 and 2, there's only page 2. Dice hacer páginas 1 y 2, solo hay página número 2. If you have your packets, you can look at them with me. If you don't have your packets, no problem. You can just follow along with my screen. Si tienen sus paquetes, ustedes pueden hacer todo conmigo y poner una pausa. Y si no tienen sus paquetes, no hay problema. Pueden también hacer una pausa en el video y hacer las actividades en la computadora conmigo. So first we're going to focus on the letter A and the sound A. So please repeat after me. A. And here's our example sentence. Nan has a cat. Now we have 4 words that all have the letter A and they make the A sound. Please repeat after me. Favor de repetir después de mí. Map, hat, bag, pan. Now we have the sentences down here. We're going to connect the sentence with the illustration. Vamos a conectar la oración con la ilustración. So my example says, Nan has a cat. I know that cat is here in my picture. So I'm going to draw a line for this. And you can hear the a sound with Nan has cat. Now let's do number 2. Nan has a map. This is my map. So I'm going to draw a line to connect here. Now let's do number 3. You do it. Nan has a hat. Number 4. Nan has a bag. Number 5. Nan has a pan. Favor de decir todas esas oraciones para practicar el sonido a en inglés. So if we look at our day, we did our phonics review. Great job. Now we're going to go to our reading. And for you guys, you can see in your packet, you have to scroll down or turn the page to this where it says after school. En sus paquetes tienen que doblar muchas páginas para encontrar el libro after school. I have on my computer, so I'm going to read it. Yo voy a leerlo en voz alta y ustedes pueden seguir conmigo. Okay? After school. Our words are act, bike, dance, play, sing, study. Ustedes pueden usar las ilustraciones para averiguar cómo se dice o qué significan esas palabras. I like to study after school. I like to play after school. I like to dance after school. I like to act after school. I like to read after school. I like to sing after school. I like to bike after school. We like to have fun after school. Entonces, favor de reescuchar este libro. Please re-listen to that book. And you can read along with me, or you can read quietly. Y ustedes pueden leer en voz alta o pueden leer independiente. You can put pause on the video. Great job. If we go back to our days, we say after we read after school, there's an activity. And here's our activity. ¿Y qué es la actividad? Today we're going to be talking about actions, acciones. And the question is, what can you do? ¿Qué puedes hacer tú? Here are some examples. I can read. Yo puedo leer. I can eat. Yo puedo comer. I can paint. Yo puedo pintar. I can write. Yo puedo escribir. I can carry. Yo puedo llevar. So these are all things that use the phrase I can, como yo puedo. On this side, here's an example. You are going to make your own sentences. Aquí es un ejemplo porque ustedes van a hacer sus propias oraciones. Use the phrase I can, como yo puedo. And here you're going to write a new sentence, okay? You can go back and use your book to help you. So maybe you want to use, my verb, sing. When I look in the picture, I see that they're moving their mouths to make music. Aquí yo veo la palabra sing y en la ilustración puedo ver qué significa cantar. Entonces, aquí voy a escribir I can sing. Give me different things you can do with 3 pictures. Now, we did day 1, our first activity. We read the book after school, and you guys did the speaking and writing. Make sure you hit pause so you can do your work. Favor de poner una pausa para hacer su trabajo. And now we're going to go ahead and do book number 2. James, dile hola.
Hola.
Este es mi hijo. Un momentito, papi. Okay. And now we're going to read our last book called Feelings. Y ahora vamos a leer el último libro de hoy que se llama Feelings, como sentimientos. In your books, en sus libros, sus paquetes, tienen que cambiar las páginas. You've got to change the pages. Here's your book, and here's my book. Aquí está mi libro. Perdón. So it says, feelings. I have many feelings. My feelings change from time to time. Sometimes I feel kind of happy. Sometimes I feel very happy. Sometimes I feel kind of sad. Sometimes I feel very sad. Sometimes I feel kind of angry. Sometimes I feel very angry. Sometimes I feel kind of scared. Sometimes I feel very scared. I have many different feelings. Do you have many different feelings too? Very good. Muy bien. Favor de hacer una pausa, escuchar otra vez este libro varias veces, y si ustedes pueden hacer el patrón de decir una palabra sería bien. So it would be good to do a pause button now listen to me read the story a few more times, and then you guys can read the words that you want to. The final activity is to write about our book. La actividad final es escribir sobre lo que leímos. We know feelings are sentimientos. This says, I am confused, estoy confundido. I am surprised, estoy sorprendida. I am bored, estoy aburrida. I am sad, estoy triste. I am angry, estoy enfadado. I am happy, estoy feliz. ¿Cómo te sientes? How do you feel? So people can say, I feel, me siento, or they can say, I am, estoy. So like before, look at, here's your example. You make a new one. I am confused. Estoy confundido. Con una ilustración, with an illustration. 1, 2, 3. Give me 3 more sentences. You can use these words here. You can also use the words in your feeling book, like scared or angry. All right, that was the whole packet. You guys will complete it for the week. Very nice job. I'll put up more days later. And good job. I'm very proud of you. Bye.